This is your boy, Seven the Scientist. It's your man, your friend, the one who loves you. Saw a lot of cooking stuff on YouTube today, so I'm like, at home, I cooked. I said, let me tell everyone what Nomi's favorite dish is, and it's full of vegetables. So this is Alfredo sauce. So I have the vegetables, the meat, and the shrimp, and the Alfredo sauce. And then I boil the egg noodles and add everything on top of the egg noodles. So what it consists of is broccoli. I boil the broccoli and I boil the carrots. And then I saute the zucchini, and that's the squash. I bake the chicken and I saute the shrimp. So I put all these ingredients together. The zucchini, the squash, the carrots, the broccoli, the shrimp, and the chicken. And then I add the Alfredo sauce. Then, should I get one of these shrimps here? That's the shrimp. Then with the chicken. You see the broccoli and the carrots and the squash. Little piece of zucchini right there. And she loves this. She eats all her vegetables and she slams on this. And then I'm about to make the noodles. Just boil the noodles. Recipe, just season your vegetables how you like to season. Saute them. Carrots and the broccoli I just boiled in water. I baked the chicken at 350 for like 45 minutes. Mixed everything with the Alfredo. Now the last thing I like to do is boil the noodles so it'll be nice and fresh from this Nomi, who will be 5 years old. Today's the 6th and 21 days. 7 days. 7 just multiplies and divides everything. It's your boy. Healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, healthy life. Positive energy, positive vibes. We're about to enjoy this meal. Peace and blessings.